Hello everybody, Aki here, and welcome back to Crosscode. Last time we got brief to what is the world about in this game. Then we are going to do it. We are going to do it. We are going to solve it again. Wait. No. No. You look confused, Seeker. What you see here is the bulletin board. You can use it to see open quests in this area. If you want to know more about quests, I suggest you talk to my fellow advisors at the counter over there. Thank you very much. Greetings, Seeker. I see that you have completed the introduction to Operation Truck Walker. Thus, you are now also qualified to use your abilities as a Seeker to assist the four factions in their duties. There are organizations that seek your humanity's survival and prosperity through their special feats of expertise. More detailed information can be accessed in the terminal behind you. So this. For now, you should know that each faction has subdivision in Rookie Harbor, like every settlement. Better understand our society and your place in it. You should get introduced to all of them. For this purpose, I will now issue an official assignment. Please accept. Good. Visit the representative of every faction in Autumn's Rise and introduce yourself. Most of them can be found in their respective headquarters near the market of the Western Order and Western Estrats. Though the HQ of the CTC is still inaccessible to new seekers, their ambassador can be found just outside of this building. Once you have visited all of them, you must return to me to get your reward. Okay. Each of them is responsible for the aspect of human civilization. All of them is crucial for survivability and prosperity. The main headquarters of the factions are located around the square at every human settlement harbors. One local subdivision of each of them. Venture Alliance is mainly responsible for the by exploring and claiming new land activities, scavenging wildlife, and mining resources. It is represented in the number by the Polivers. The Human Preservation Department is mainly responsible for the protection and discipline of the local settlements on Salem. It is represented in Rookie Harbor by the Rookie Harbor Guard. The Association of Human Advancement is mainly responsible for trade, manufacturing, and scientific research. It is represented in Rookie Harbor by the Coastal Trading Coalition. The Amenity of Balance is mainly responsible for farming, gathering, and the research of native life and gaining an understanding of the inner workings of the track of the oceans. It is represented in Rookie Harbor by the Fruits of Autumn. While the factions are filled with highly resourceful experts of their field, they often need to support the seekers because of their special connection to the track of the oceans. This is the Okay. I will go to the bathroom first. It's good to see you. Good day, Seeker. Pleased to meet you. My name is Mr. Gnomesworth, and I am a humble mediative employee of the local trading association. Hi. Now as you might as you might already assume, a man of my position is always busy brokering business arrangement, big and small. Thus, there's always a need for helping hands willing to do necessary legwork for a generous payment, of course. Just now, I have an unresolved assignment by the pub for a delivery of mixed food ingredients. It requires collecting raw materials in the wild, trading them for the required items here in the market, of course, delivering them to my client. A rather simple task fitting for the beginning of a lucrative relationship, I would say. Can I count on your cooperation? Of course, I will. It's a deal then. My client requires 2 fruit and veggie sets each, and also a precious spice set to boot. You can procure them right here on the central market near the fountain. For the exchange, you will need trading materials from the various plants of Autumn's rice. Wait, let me get my controller. What should I do on the controller side? Shit. Wait. Oh, okay. Yes. Okay. Hey Leia, please don't just run off like that. The cord were over here. Okay, let's reduce the graphics. How was it, Leia? How was it, Leia? Enjoyed being in space? Well, now you should understand your task being part of track walker and all. Let's go to the west now. By the way, Leia. Spiromancer. That's surprising. They're pretty unpopular. Don't ask me why. They're fine balance wise. What about Pentafist? They're awesome, right? Yup. I couldn't imagine you in any other class. Harbors. Okay, there are many players here. Wait, what? Okay. Oh. Let's go to the main quest first. West side. Okay. Oh, oh. Finally, this is the western part of the town. In this shop, you can buy consumable items. Further down, you'll find an armory with basic equipment. And when you continue west from here, you'll enter Autumn's Rise. You'll find a lot of enemies along the way. Be careful not to take too many hedgehogs at once, or those guys will eat you for breakfast. Anyway, let's just follow that way to get to Bergen. By the way, do you two want to form a party? That would be great, right, Leia? And you, Lucas, will you travel with us too? I unfortunately have to leave you soon. Oh, already? Trust me, it's not that fun to travel around with a high-level friend. Unless you don't care for the challenge. You could watch us take on those hedgehogs. Yep. That totally sounds like a lot of fun, doesn't it? No, really, I have to head back to the guild. There's too much stuff going on right now. The crop will be steaming if I'm gone for too long. I see. Monsieur, it's just too important for us rookies. No, please don't be that way. You can set up a direct link if something comes up, right? Alright. Let's meet again once you reach Bergen Village. Come on, Leia, let's do some leveling until we're worth the Dark Lord's attention. Oh, you. See you soon, Emily. And you too, Leia. Oh well. Ciao, ciao. Ciao, ciao. Alright, party time. So, where's the option? We. Did you join your party? Voila. We just form a party. Let's head to Autumn's Rise. Or maybe let's look for the quest in town. I'll let you decide, Leia. This is so exciting. Okay. The status of your party members is displayed below your own. You can change the behavior of your party members via the party strategy menu. The social menu is now unlocked. Here you can see the detailed stats of all your party members. Okay. No. Let's go. Veggie set. Fruit set. Okay, how to increase? Okay. Okay, your combat rank is displayed in the upper right corner during combat. By defeating enemies, your rank will increase. With a higher combat rank, enemies will drop more items, including special rare items. When you're out of combat, you'll enter the cooldown phase. And the blue line disappears. Combat will end and you will lose your rank. However, when you enter combat during cooldown, you keep your combat rank. No. Wait. Hi. Hello, Miss Seeker. So great to see you here on Shadow. As a humble part of our endeavor here, I am seeking, and here I am trying my best to aid seekers, but my skills are just not the same level as yours are. Might I ask you to help me out, dear seeker? A humble citizen has quest for you. It involves hitting things before it's in it. Defeat. Okay. Superb. Okay. Ninjas down. Okay. Oh, West Simon. One. Okay. Normal clearing. Oh. Oh, okay. As pyromancer, not something I see very often these days. You see, the class is very hard to master. So, it became a bit unpopular, I would say. And nowadays, you only find a handful of people trying to play it. Oh. Do you ever wonder what kind of music you listen? What? Do you ever wonder what kind of music those things are listening to? They do seem very much into it, no? Maybe. Ow! Okay, no. Let's go with the circuits. Pesky things. Okay, nope. Wow, Miss Seeker, you really did it. Here's your rewards for it. Okay. getting me ready. Now I only need someone help. Oh, hello, Seeker. Hi. How very fortunate. I just finished my inventions and even found the exact kind of Seeker I was looking for. Good, Seeker. I'm in desperately need of help. Yes. Wait. You're still here? That is most unexpected, I must say. People often rather choose to ignore me. I don't suppose you would like. I don't suppose you would like to help me. Real? Splendid. Okay, let me introduce myself first. I'm Henry the researcher. I study these fine moons, flora and fauna. Oh, what's your name? Leia. Fine name. Fine name indeed. I will remember it. You see, I want to gather some data for autumn's rise. But it seems that I alone can't gather everything I want. The track of the ancients only allows seekers to find certain things. I compile a list of things I need. First, I need some items and information on the local wildlife. Additionally, I need a list of all the landmarks in this area. Finally, I need you to retrieve a probe I installed further ahead. I would honored if you would help me to gather all the intel. Is what you can, and he can return to me. Thank you very much for your help. And then guys, you're wondering what the probe looks like. It looks like the same as the ones next to me. Okay, I will end this. Thank you for watching, everybody, and goodbye.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our